subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Honor 9X in India, the company has now launched the higher variant of the series in the country called Honor 9X Pro. Talking about the specifications, the Honor 9X Pro supports a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio and 92% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Kirin 810 chipset paired with Mali G52 MP6 GPU. The device packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Honor 9X Pro features triple camera setup on the rear that includes 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16MP pop-up selfie camera with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 9 Pie based on EMUI 9.1 skin on the top, and it comes with Huawei mobile services instead of Google mobile services due to US ban. The device comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery that charges through a Type-C port. Additionally, the smartphone also supports an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. And it also comes with liquid cooling system that reduces the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The physical dimensions of the phone measures at 163.5 by 77.3 by 8.8 mm and it weighs around 202 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor 9X Pro has been priced in India at 17,999 Indian rupees. And it will go on sale for the first time in the country via Flipkart as a part of special early access sale, which is going to take place in between May 21st and May 22nd with extra 3,000 rupees discount. So what do you guys think of this Honor 9X Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.